A square hot air duct must have the same area as two rectangular ones with dimensions 5 inches by 8 inches and 4 inches by 6 inches. How long are the sides of the square duct? So, we have a couple different figures going on in this problem. We have a square hot air duct. So what's the property of a square?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal, all angles are right angles, right? So this is the square hot air duct. Its dimensions are x by x, and we'll say inches because the rectangles are in inches. So just know that the dimensions are in inches, that'll be fine. So this duct has to have the same area as two rectangular ducts, and the first rectangular duct is 5 inches by 8 inches. And the second one is 4 inches by 6 inches. You don't have to draw these to scale, but I kind of try and draw them close to, what they look like. Four inches is a little shorter than 5 inches, 6 inches is a little shorter than 8 inches, right? So the area of this one duct has to match the area of these two ducts, right? So the area of a rectangle, as we've discussed already, is simply the length times the width. So the area of this rectangle is 40 square inches. And the area of this rectangle equals the length times the width. So the area of this rectangle is 24 square inches. The area of the square, length times width, because we have right angles here also. A square is basically a rectangle with equal sides. The area of the square is x squared. Reading the problem, it states that this area, x squared, is equal to the sum of these two areas. So I know that x squared plus or equals 40 plus 24. The area of the square duct equals the sum of the rectangular ducts areas. 40 plus 24, of course, is 64. So x is going to equal the square root of 64, better known as 8 inches. So how long are the sides of the square duct? X is the length of the sides. X equals 8 inches, so the answer is 8 inches.